NZDUSD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this NZDUSD analysis. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already. Subscribe, like, click the bell notification, okay? And in case you're a newbie who wants to do manual trading or automated trading, for manual trading, you can connect with my Telegram channel here, and then I'll give you some free signals every now and then. But the first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So once you click on the link here, you will be taken to this page where you can check all these proofs and everything. So there is a method as well in which you can do forex on automation by using the software if you know what exactly has to be done. So this first one is a course on automation on forex trading using the advisor, forex advisor. Okay, join my Telegram channel. And third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. Click on the link, come here. And if you want to join the best prop firm, best means best. I'm not talking about top 3, top 4, top 5. Best means best, number 1. That's it. Okay, so go and join the prop firm if you want to trade with somebody else's money and if you have the skill to pass the challenge. Okay, but if you have your own money, then go and check out these links and sign up with these brokers and add your money and get started with your trading journey. Now coming back to the daily chart and weekly chart and this and that. Okay. Weekly is up, daily is up, and 4 hour is also up. Okay, now actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save my time here, and I have just done the AUD USD analysis. Okay, so if you go to my channel TubeCore, and the video just before this video which I have uploaded is AUD USD analysis for 24th of April 2025. Go and watch the video AUD USD because the analysis for AUD USD and NZD USD is the same. Okay, so I'll wind up this video shortly now. And if you want to know NZD USD, it's the same analysis on AUD USD. Go and watch that video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video shortly.